Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes children. So previous classes I have finished all the lessons, all the unit in EVS. So in this video children, I am going to send you the worksheet whatever I finished in the EVS. So today I will give the worksheet for you children, and whatever is given in the worksheet, so you have to write very correctly. Whatever coloring is given, do the color properly and do it yourself only. So let me explain that worksheet whatever I will going to give in this. Clear children? So this worksheet is based on this unit, that is the plants our green wealth. So let me recall whatever we finished in this lesson. So children, in this lesson we learned the different parts of plant. We learned the different parts of plants. Plants have the different parts. First is roots, stem, leaves, branches, buds, foot, fruit and flower. Clear children? So there are the numbers of parts are there, and each parts do the different functions. Yeah, the children. Here and there we can find the numbers of trees. Here and there we can find the numbers of trees. Yeah, the children. So all trees are different from each other. They are different in shape, size, color, fruits, flowers and leaves also. For example, mango tree gives the mango only. Apple tree gives the apple. Orange tree gives the orange only. Guava tree gives the guava fruit only. Yeah, the children. So like that we say it is different from each other in shape, in size, in color, leaves, fruits and flower. Some plants are very tall. Some plants are very tall, you know, and they have the strong trunk. Some plants are very tall and they have the strong trunk. Strong trunk. So these are called trees. These are trees. So some are tall. Some trees are very tall and they have the very strong trunk. This plant is very tall, so it is considered as a tree. Some plants are very small, like a rose, bush, grass. So this comes in the very small plants. Clear children? So let me explain the worksheet. So here children, the first worksheet is that label the parts of the plant. Label the parts of the plant. So here children, you can see here I have given the outline. I have given the outline of plant. So what is here your duty? You have to color. So children, you have to color this plant. You know, see down is what? Down is roots. It is a root, and this path, roots always grow below the ground. You can see it is below the ground. Above the ground we can see the stem. What is this? This is called a stem. Then we can see the numbers of leaves. These are called the leaves. You know, then we can see the fruit. What is that? It is called a fruit. Next we can see the flowers. Yeah, children, so those are called flowers. Yeah, children, so what is here? Your duty, you should color it. You should color each part and then label. Then label the parts. Clear children? So let me draw this plant on the board. Then it is easy for you to do in this worksheet. Yeah, children? Just you can see children, this the, what is this? It is the outer line I have drawn. This is the outer line. So in this worksheet already I have given the drawing of a plant. Yana children, you should not draw, just to see. What is this, children? Those are leaves. What is that? It's a leaves. Flower, and then here I will draw the fruit. This is the fruit. Okay, children. Then next here I will draw the bird. So this is called the bird, children. Now we'll divide the parts. Okay? So here, below the ground which grow, it's a roots. What is that? It's the roots. Next, above the ground, you can see the stem. Stem is also called the trunk. What is called? It's also called the trunk. These are leaves. What is that? It's leaves. Next, what is this, children? Tell me. Yes, it's a fruit. What is that? It's a fruit. Yes. Next you can see this part. What is that very beautiful part in the plant? That is a flower. What is that? Flower. Next, this part is called bud. Okay, children. So I have written all the parts. So these are all the things you have to do in the worksheet. You should color that plant. See the root I have, you should give the brown color. Root should be brown, and then stem. Just to give the brown color only. Brown or light green. Use the brown color. Green color use for leaves. Then fruits you can use the yellow, red, anything. Then flower you can use the numbers of colors, because flowers are in different colors we will get. So give the colors for flower, and then finally it is bud. So which part grow below the ground? That is called roots. It is called roots. Above the ground it is called stem. Next, this green part we can see. This green part is called the leaves. What is called? Leaves. Next we can see the fruit. Do you like the fruits? Yes. You like the fruit very much. You will eat the varieties of fruits. Yeah, the children. And one more thing, children, remember, fruits contain the seeds. When you cut the fruit, apple, chiku, or we can see orange, then watermelon, papaya. When you cut these fruits, you will get the seeds. So, fruit always contain the seeds, beans. Guava, when you cut, you can see the skin color. And the skin color, small that is a flower. The next is bulb. So these are the things, children, you have to write in your worksheet. Just to see, you have to write in the worksheet. First you color it, then label all the parts. Clear, children? The next we will see numbers of things we will get from some animals and trees. Numbers of things we will get. Yani children, what we will get? Tell me. With the trees, we will get the fruits, flowers, wood. Yani children, numbers of things we will get. Then, with the animals also we will get the numbers of things. Yes. Sheep gives us wool. Hen gives us egg. Cow gives us milk. Bee gives us honey. And numbers of things we will get from the animals and trees. Children. And we also get the numbers of fruits. Numbers of fruits. Will you name some fruits name? Will you name some fruits? Yes. Apple, banana, watermelon, chiku, orange, then papaya, custard apple, etc. So numbers of fruits we have, and numbers of fruits you like, I think so, to eat. Children, so which fruit you like to eat, children? Which is your favorite fruit? Tell me. Grapes, very good. And yes, banana, very good. So we have the numbers of fruits. That all the fruits from where it comes from the plant and trees. Children, so trees gives us fruits also. We have the varieties of fruits. So children, the next worksheet is what? You have to write here fruits name. What you should write? You should write the fruits name. Just you can see here, children. Apple, kiwi, mangosteen, banana, grapes, papaya, lemon, pear, and last is the pineapple. So this is the second worksheet, children. So what I done here, I have given the fruits pictures. I have given the fruits pictures, children. And their side you can see, I have mentioned the numbers also. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side see 1 and the 2, then 3. I have mentioned the numbers also. And whatever numbers I given, you can see here side, I have mentioned the fruit name also. Apple, kiwi, mangosteen, persimmon, banana, grapes, papaya, lemon, pear, then pineapple. So these all the fruits I have mentioned here, and I have given side numbers also. So now here you can see the, for example, first picture is, what is the first number? It is a, tell me children, can you guess? Yes, it's an apple. So here I have given the spelling, apple spelling. So here where to write? See here number. A, see here 1. Then here you should write the apple spelling. So like that all the fruits I have given the number, see the number 5 number. So which fruit is 5 number? Yes, banana. So where it's come? It's come here. So you should write the spellings. Clear children? Yes children. So like that next one is what? Second one, kiwi. So where to write kiwi? See the second number? Yes, here. So you have to write K-I-V-I, kiwi. Clear children? Now like that third one is what? Just you can, third is mangosteen. So where is third number here? Yes, here. So you should write all the spelling here. Yum, A-N-G-O-S-T-E-E-N. You should write full spelling. Next fourth one. So like that all the fruits numbers I have given. Just you have to see here. Number 5, number 6, which fruits are there? Number 6, it's a grapes. So just to see the sixth number is grapes. So where should come? Here sixth number. Then write grapes. Grapes. Okay children. So like that number 7 is papaya. Yes, it is a papaya. So where to write number 7? Just to see here P-A-Y-A papaya. Next 8th one you can see it is a lemon. Lemon is also fruit. So where to write lemon? Number is what? 8. Just you can see here it's a 8 number. So here you should write lemon. L-E-M-O-N lemon. The 9th one it is a pear. So where to write pear? Number is 9. So 9 is here. P-E-A-R pear. Last one 10th it is which one? You can see here pineapple. So where is the 10 number? You can see here 10. So you have to go like this, okay? So P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. What is that? Pineapple. So children, I have explained that how to write in that all the fruits name by seeing the pictures, by seeing the numbers. You should write the correct spelling, fill the correct spellings in the columns. Okay children, so here how many fruits I have given? Just I will write. See, first I have given the apple. Then next I have given the kiwi. Third is mangosteen. Then fourth is persimmon. Then fifth is banana. Sixth one is grapes. Then seventh one is papaya. Then eighth one is lemon. I will write here children. Eighth one is lemon. And the ninth one is pear. And then 10th one is pineapple. So children, I have given the number also side by side just to see the images and the number. For example, if the first number I have given here number, so it is which fruit? Apple. So just to see here first number is what? Apple. Then write in that given column. So in the column also I have mentioned the numbers. Yeah, the children. In the column also I have mentioned the number like 1, like 2, then 10. Like this I have mentioned the numbers also. So here what you have to do, just first number is what? Apple. Then write here A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Yeah, the children. So next you can see, next is what there? Next is a kiwi. You can see. So I have just said it is second number. So where it's come? It's come here. You know? So this is kiwi. So second number, what is second number? It's a kiwi. K-I-W-I. So this is the example I have shown how to do these all the things in worksheet. To fill this all the columns, now here 10 fruits are there. So you can use the different colors. You can use the different colors to fill that column. See, first apple is there, means which color it is? Red. You can use the red crayon. So like that for all the 10 fruits, you can use the different crayons to fill that columns. Okay children, you will do now? Yes. So don't take the help of your parents children. do it yourself only. It's a very easy. Clear? It's a very easy to do. So again, what we get from the fruits, children? What we get from the plants? We will get from the vegetables also. Yeah, no, we will get the vegetables also. Numbers of vegetables we will get from the plants also. Yes or no? Yes. So this, whatever we get from the plants, there is numbers of things are there. Fruits, food, vegetables, wood also we will get. You know, we get the wood also. So next is what, children? Next you can see the next worksheet is about the vegetables. What is that? About the vegetables. So here and there you will read the numbers of vegetables. And the children, brinjal, capsicum, potato, yes, then onion, yes or no, leafy vegetables, cauliflower, spinach, broccoli, carrot, radish, bitter gourd, bottle gourd. So numbers of vegetables you will eat, children. You will eat or not? Yes. So every day at least one kind of vegetables and one fruit compulsory you have to eat, children. Clear, children? So here this is about the fruit I have finished. Okay, children? So next is what here, children? Next is about the vegetables. Clear, children? So these vegetables, I will show you the images. Just you can see the vegetables. So here you can see, children, numbers of vegetables are there. You know, numbers of vegetables are there, you will eat. Yes. So here also, children, I have given the numbers of each vegetables. You can see first I have given the number. First is which vegetables it is? Capsicum. Second you can see the eggplant. Third you can see the cauliflower. Fourth you can see the tomato. Fifth you can see the radish. Sixth you can see the broccoli. It is green color, okay, children? Seventh one you can see the leek. Next, eighth one you can see the peas. Then, wait, children. Yes, children, here you can see little change. Eighth is what here? Eighth is peas, and the last ninth one it is a radish. So these are the vegetables you will eat in your home. The same thing how I explained in the fruits. See the numbers and then fill these columns. Okay, children. For the vegetables also, you can use the different colors. You can use the different colors to fill these columns. Clear, children? Yes, children. So this is about the fruit. In the same way you have to fill the vegetables also. You know, I have given the 9 vegetables. That is the first is the pepper. Next is the eggplant, cauliflower, tomato, then carrot, broccoli, peas, radish. So these all the vegetables I have mentioned in this paper. So in this worksheet. Clear, children? So these all the things you have to do yourself. How I shown to fill the fruit the same way you have to fill the vegetables also. Clear, children? You will do now? Yes. So do it yourself only. Don't take the help of your parents. See the pictures. Which pictures it is? Which image? Which vegetable? which fruit, and then do it yourself only. Clear children? So I am going to send you the 3 worksheet. It's a very easy 3 worksheet. So you have to do it yourself only. And after finish, click the photocopy. Don't forget, click the photocopy and send it, because I have to keep this all the records. So children, you should write your full name here. Already I have given the space to write the name also. Just you can see here up. See children, here I have given the space to write the name. You should write your full name. No need of writing your roll number. Already I mentioned the class. So your work is what here children? You should write the full name and then send me in the app children. So children, you should take the photocopy of this images. Just take the printout. These all the things I am going to send in the app. So what is your duty here? Take the printout and then color it. Fill all the columns with using the colorful crayons and then send me in the app. So I am going to send the parts of plant, fruits and vegetables. Clear children? Write your full name and then send me in the app children. So this is the today's class children. So I have explained the worksheet, how to write, what to write and how to color. Everything clearly I have explained you children. Fine? Yes. So don't do any mistake. If you are having any doubt, just you call me. Then I will clear your doubt. Clear children? Don't forget to write your name, because these things I have to keep for record. So write your name and then send me in the app. So you should take the photocopy, you should take the printout and then you have to write this all the things. Thank you children.